On the 1st of September 2016, a rocket operated by the aerospace company SpaceX exploded on its launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. It was being test-fired ahead of its expected launch date. After the dramatic explosion, SpaceX released the following statement. The anomaly originated around the upper stage oxygen tanks and occurred during propellant loading of the vehicle. We are continuing to review the data to identify the root cause. However, some people online are offering their own theories, after spotting a dark object pass by the tip of the rocket at the same time the explosion occurred. Is this a bird? Perhaps a drone? Or could it be, as some suspect, an unidentified flying object that somehow interfered with the rocket's launch?